Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Nadula here once more. Same, kind of packaging as usual. Same black box. Let's see what we got. So as I open it, I see a drawstring bag labeled Nadula. And then I got a wig cap. Got two wig caps actually. This has, apart from the wig cap, we have a pair of lashes. Oh, these nice and full. Then I got a comb and I got a pair of earrings. So that's what came in the drawstring bag. Okay, so this is actually a body wave here, guys. So it came with some gorgeous curls. Like this don't look like I need to touch it. This is the first time I'm getting a body wave wig. That I've gotten wigs that have been pre-curled and stuff, but I don't know. I don't know if it's the length or what it is, but this is so nice, Nadula. I recently did I recently installed a similar highlighted wig, and I curled it up with my curling iron and everything, but this came pre-curled. Then you don't need to do nothing to this when you don't install it. It's pre-plucked as well. It's a whole 13x4 lace front wig, and it has adjustable straps inside, has a total of 3 combs in the cap, and it's a standard cap construction. It's a medium brown lace. It's nicely constructed and everything comes with a center part. This is so nice. I can't wait to go ahead and start to install this. This is so nice. This really just makes your life easier. Like literally, in terms, it comes styled. It's customized, it's styled. All you need to go ahead and do is install it. Life can't get any easier, right? Yeah, this is nice. So let's go ahead and jump on into the installation of this wig.
Oh, you tell me stories.
Guys, suppose that's something that go wear the wig. Oh my gosh, these curls are gorgeous though. Gorgeous curls. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
You tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets. Yeah, high school was hard. You'd fight with my mom. I'd fall asleep to the screaming, sound machine always speaking, left emotional scars. Now I'm 21, a soul of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21, a soul of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21. At 21. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21. I'm just a kid. Oh, I'm doing things I shouldn't know from. Yeah, doing things I shouldn't do. At 21. Yeah, I play you my favorite songs on a car ride while you list me all the people that left you in your life. Oh, oh, oh. And you smoke on your chair while I was trying to sleep. I smell the smoke in the air, but that was normal for me. I didn't know. I didn't know. But now I'm 21. It's all of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from.
Okay guys, so I know it does look a little casty, but I'm gonna fix that in a few. What I'm feeling right now, I don't know, the feeling that I'm getting is that I really don't want to do baby hairs or swoops today, just like the last install I did light swoops. So I don't know, kind of feeling the same way. I'm gonna go ahead, get my wax stick, and I'm gonna kind of just slip back everything here. I'm actually going to use my curling iron for this because the curling iron I have it bad. It hot bad. It's actually hotter than my hot comb. It gets so hot if you put it all the way to 410 Fahrenheit. It can literally burn. So I'm going to, you have to be like super careful with it. I'm gonna just use it.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets. Yeah, high school.
You see that? That is gorgeous. All I'm gonna do is really just swoop here. That's it. That's all I'm gonna do. So when I turn my head, you can see the cast. So I'm gonna fix that with a little bit of powder, you know, melt it down a little bit more.
You fight with my mom, I'd fall asleep to the screaming, sound machine always speaking, left emotional scars.
So this is all like the hair being pre-curled. I didn't go back in and curl any part of it whatsoever. This is exactly how it came in the packaging, and I feel like, you know, this is definitely the point of today's look. You could get this look without like having to worry yourself about curling it up. Yeah, when you wash it and it get wet, you're going to definitely have to go in and style it, but this is just for the initial, like, you know, install. It comes styled and customized already for you, so you don't need to worry about like curling it up. This is how it's looking. It's very flawless. The highlights are beautiful. Nadula here did their thing. As I said before, this is very similar to one of my most recent installs that I did, because I did do a whole body wave thing with it, but I curled it up and it had the whole highlighted vibe going. But this was curled and everything straight out of the package. So yeah, so in terms of the length and the density, all that jazz, it's going to be in my description box. Please check my description box for the specifications as usual. Okay guys, you know, all the information is always down there. The specific link where you can go ahead and purchase this wig is in my description box as well, so don't forget to go ahead and do that. And yes guys, you know, every day when I see me I put on all of them wig here and something I probably want to win, so I'm gonna give it more one of the little wig them when. So if you haven't been following me on my vlog channel at PETITE-SUE TV, I do have a giveaway that I'm going to be doing over there. It's the road to 100k giveaway. So once I hit 100k over there, I'm gonna be doing a whole, initially it was an $800 US giveaway, but no, it's gonna be more than that, because I'm gonna give away a vlog camera over there, and I'm giving away 3 brand new wigs. I'm giving away 3 brand new wigs. So you guys have to go over to my vlog channel, follow up with that, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and keep up with your girl. Once I hit 100k, I'm giving it away. And yeah, you just, if anything changes, if anything is added to the giveaway, you have to follow me over there, and also follow me on Instagram at PETITE-SSENSE. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for tuning in as usual, and shout out to Nadula here for this gorgeous wig again. It is stunning. So yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
A soul of 50 years, and now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21, a soul of 50